What's going on, y'all? Back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the JB4. I had somebody who had reached out when I dropped the first video that was talking about why the air-fuel ratio was not displaying any data. So I reached out to Science of Speed, and here's what they told me. They told me that the extended CAN channels has to be enabled. Now, what that enables is the ability to look at the air-fuel ratio, the air inlet temperature, the gear position, the ignition degree, the engine load, the fuel pressure, the oil temperature, the throttle angle, and the transmission temperature. The reason why this is enabled, the reason why this is not enabled by default is because it disables the use of the ODB port. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through what's needed in order to turn this on. We're going to go through this in the Android version. The instructions I posted on the video that I got from them looks like it's probably for the iOS version. So let's go ahead and check out the Android and see what we need to do to get this activated. All right, so we're going to go ahead and check out the JB4 settings that are needed in order to get the air-fuel ratio to work. So we're going to connect. And now we're connected to the JB4, so I'm going to go to Settings, go to View JB4 Tuning, User Adjustment, and then you want to go down here to this bit 0, turn that on, save, and there we are. So the vehicle's already started, so what I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go back to the gauges. As you can see, we're getting data now. We are getting data for that air-fuel ratio. Let's go ahead and see if we can take a little drive here so we can see. Now we're even going to get readings for the gear. Just go ahead and take a little stroll here. And now with the CAN messages enabled, we should be able to see. So there we go. We're in gear 1. Okay. Now there's no gear because we're in electric mode. Pop that into electric. Pop out of electric. You can see now we're in gear 3, bumping up to gear 4. So all of that data is now coming in through the JB4 because the CAN messages have been enabled. So there you have it. Getting your JB4 to push through additional data by enabling the CAN through the JB4 app. I hope this video was helpful to someone because I definitely know from an Android perspective it's not very straightforward. So hopefully these instructions will help somebody out to enable this feature if they were wondering if it was broken. But hope this will be good. I will catch you guys on the next video. Stay tuned.